Perez. Back set to Jimenez. The Coron was there. Encarnacion. Ronquillo from the back row. Myla down the line this time.
Janelle Cheng, digs niya. Sakto pa rin yung angat. But look at Myla Pablo making the best out of that dig. And,
good serve. Good reception by Barbon. Cheng, one-hand set.
Ito lang, you can't sleep on Janelle Cheng kahit back row setter yan. Forte mag one-hand set. Look at that. So chill and good job for the Coron. She was prepared to go in for...
Mela, second set pa lang tayo pero parang nakikita ko may magandang matchup si Ivy tsaka si Cheng. 3 points already for Ivy Perez. Cheng with one ace as Petrogas gets that point.
Magulang. And wala na rin siyang space para sa better approach but it never in this rotation.
She has Jimenez and Ronquillo in front. Myla, cross court, specialty of the house. Myla ties the game.
That her team played, adding that yes, it is more playing time than usual, but she credits this to Coach Koji, who wholeheartedly imparted his trust on lots of his young guns yesterday. As AA tells me, and I quote, bawat minuto nandun ako.
So far, here in the second set, mas maganda yung nagiging simula ng Angels.
Ng Aiza with a good set. Serve rather. Perez one-hand set and that works.
Combination play, pero cheers. Ito si Myla Pablo. Ang instructions, pagka si Myla Pablo papalo, bahala na yung cross court. Basta sarado niya.
Isay Menes now serving for Galleries. That's a good serve. Good reception by Sabete. Buitre pushes it. Perez goes to her wing. Ronquillo was there. Pablo down the line this time.
Now that's not the case. Talagang she has grown into a more creative athlete. Pero iba pa rin yung lakas pag down the line. But speaking of ibang lakas, Ronquillo breaking down.
6-4. Petro with the lead. Cheng. Back row Pablo.
Myla Pablo from anywhere in the court. Enough to see a confident Myla Pablo.
The resurgence and look at that. Ronquillo underhand set. On point actually. Cheng to the running Dacoron. Ivy goes to Ases who had to push that one. Another one-hand set. Encarnacion finds a way to score.
And, it's so nice to see both teams really moving kahit na 1 inch na lang yung angat ng bola sa floor, they will still save it.
With the serve, Sabete receives, palo niya rin. And that attack by Sabete gives them a 5 pa lang pero parang nakakarami na siyang mga excellent sets in our eyes as Jimenez with a nice D-ball attack there.
Effectiveness of that approach. Take a look at that again. Ganda ng form. Great backswing as well. Amazing follow through. Everything.
Ivy, who has been great for Galleries. Pontillas tries to send it over. Sabete, cross court. Good read there by Katindig. The hands of Barbon.
And iwan na iwan actually si Dacoron for that Jimenez block. But I was surprised na Jimenez chose down the line. It was sailing out, pero si Barbon...
Galleries now leads 10-9 here in set number 2. Sabete, over reception. Thank you from Rosel Baliton.
The Petrogas Angels. Let's take a look at that again. Talagang naiset ng perfect kay Baliton.
That forces Petrogas.
Scoring off instant offense after that timeout. And back-to-back points right away after that timeout. The Coron this time with a service ace. That is her second.
On my life, I'm not mistaken. Sabete, target of that serve. Pontillas. Check.
Back-to-back block points from the high-risers. And these players aren't easy to block, ha?
Yes.
Pontillas and Myla Pab.
Isa. 15-12 now. Slowly pulling away are the high-risers. Targeting Sabete again. Buitre stops the bleeding for Petrogas.
Becomes more productive with Emnas dahil sila yung kahapon magkasama eh.
Asis loads. Emnas goes to Ronquillo.
Parang express set yung set na yun ni Emnas.
Ronquillo with the serve. Grazes the net, but still good. Sabete down the line. Gets it to go for Petrogas.
Ganda ng set na yun ni Chisa. Sobrang lambot ng kamay Parang tinresya kung sakto yung bigay
Emnas goes to Bedanya, who's in as a wing spiker again this game. Outside, is there a touch? No, none called, but Petrogas quick to call for a challenge. After that,
Bawiin na lang.
Emnas goes to Asis, check at the net, ball is still alive. What a save there by Bedanya. De Guzman, check, Emnas, one hand set to Asis again. Still no go for Jean. Third time's the charm, no combination. What a play from Galleries, but that sails outside.
Intended to address yung kanilang concerns in reception. Sabi sundan muna kasi nagbabaka sakali na outside. So, para may hesitation sila sa receive. And that hesitation has resulted to confidence of the Petrogas Angels.
Mendes back in the match with Ivy Perez. It's a gamble that coaches are willing to make. Perez keeps the ball up. Cheng goes to Sabete. A good dig there by Katindig. This will be a free ball for Galleries. Ivy checks her blockers. Goes to Baliton, and that is good for Galleries.
Risers, doon talaga sila nagkakaproblema sa service receive But right now they have the winning at least the set number 1 and getting the lead here in set 2.
Encarnacion with a good serve. Pablo. Grabe, Myla.
Pablo, and that definitely deserves a second look. Let's take a look at that again. Talagang sakto. The first time.
Parang 2015 Milo Pablo to. Batang-bata yung mga...
Parang 2011 yung rookie year.
It's good to see our players back in top shape as Jimenez pushes that to the other side. Back set by Cheng. Pontillas.
Ito anong year? 2007.
Yes.
But this is when you can expect these veterans to go all out. Dahil, again, ayaw na nila nangyari kahapon. Mostly coming off their errors din or kaya nagbibigay sila ng mga madadaling bola for the Angels.
And speaking of madadaling bola, no rally that time as Petrogas is ace. We'll take a look at the point of the set, which is brought to us by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's vitamin-powered whitening lotion. Petrogas now up 2 sets.